Overview. The 2025 Lamborghini Urus Mansory is a highly customized and limited edition version of the Lamborghini Urus. Mansory, a renowned Swiss-based tuning company, has partnered with Ward to create this unique and exclusive SUV. Exterior. Carbon fiber body kit. The Urus Mansory 800 Ward features a comprehensive carbon fiber body kit, including a new front bumper, side skirts, rear diffuser, and hood. Wheels. The SUV rides on 24-inch forged wheels with a unique design, wrapped in high-performance tires. Paint. The exterior boasts a bespoke paint job, with a combination of matte and glossy finishes. Interior. Leather and carbon fiber. The interior is lavishly trimmed with premium leather and carbon fiber accents. Custom seats. The Urus Mansory 800 Ward features custom-made seats with Ward's logo embroidered on the headrests. Infotainment system. The SUV is equipped with a high-end infotainment system, complete with a large touchscreen display. Performance. Engine. The Urus Mansory 800 Ward is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing 820 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. Transmission. The SUV features an 8-speed automatic transmission, with paddle shifters for manual gear shifts. All-wheel drive. The Urus Mansory 800 Ward comes with an all-wheel drive system, providing exceptional traction and stability. Exclusive features. Limited edition. The Urus Mansory 800 Ward is a limited edition model, making it an exclusive and rare vehicle. Bespoke design. The SUV features a unique and bespoke design, both inside and out. High-performance capabilities. The Urus Mansory 800 Ward boasts impressive performance capabilities, making it a true super SUV. Technical specifications. Length, width, height. 511 cm, 200 cm, 163 cm. Wheelbase. 300 cm. Curb weight. 2,200 kg. Top speed. 305 km per hour, electronically limited. O-100 km per hour asterisk, 3.2 seconds. Price. The 2025 Lamborghini Urus Mansory 800 Ward is expected to have a price tag of around $300,000 $400,000, depending on the location and customizations. Conclusion. The 2025 Lamborghini Urus Mansory 800 Ward is a truly unique and exclusive vehicle, offering unparalleled performance, style, and luxury. With its bespoke design, high-performance capabilities, and limited edition status, this SUV is a true collector's